Hello everyone, so today is just a short video of us going to pick up my brother's boat from storage. So, let's get to it. Well, we're here at the storage yard. My brother just went in to fill out some paperwork, and then they'll be bringing the boat out. We'll be able to hook on and head out here. So, we'll be able to take a look at the boat in a minute. After a quick inspection of the boat, we hooked onto the trailer and headed home. Once we got the boat home, we unwrapped it and took a closer look. Well, that's it for this video, but hopefully we'll have the boat out on the water soon and see what we can get up to. Till then, later.